KEDONG VILLAS is a home for real relaxation. Our beds are large enough, comfortable for your back. The linens used are ever clean. We have an on-site laundry service and cleanliness is our #1 rating with former patrons. Our bedrooms are all en suite with bathtubs and warm water for bathing. This is the place to be in your next vacation. Make your reservation today directly through our website www.kedongvillas.com or email us on info@kedongvillas.com. You can also reach us on our call lines +254 717 900 530 or +254 723 724 286. Our marketing executive is readily available for any of your inquiries and feedback on +254 721 147 987.